Hello, I'm TA Play, your trading buddy. So, welcome to the 13th episode of our Play Daily Review. And as usual, in this video, we will be discussing two counters from the US market and also some big happenings of the day. Alright, so before we proceed, I would like to tell you that in this video, we will be focusing on the chart technical analysis, the TA, because we believe the chart is the best insider, and if you know how to read the chart, it will tell you a lot of the story behind the chart. Alright, so if you haven't watched our previous analysis on the Pfizer and also the strong signal of the Nasdaq indices, so feel free to click into our channel to watch our last episode video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss our next video. Alright, okay, so let's get into the video of the day. So yep, okay, so firstly, before we get into the chart of the US market, of the US stocks, I would like to show you the chart for the Bitcoin. Yeah, as you can see, the chart, the movement of Bitcoin prices right now is quite positive. Yeah, because as you can see, it has been supported quite well on the support, and is trying to make a rebound over here, as I can see. Yeah, so but then so far there's no any confirmation yet. Yeah, because the price is still below the moving average. So the time where we can get more confirmation is when the moving average line can perform a golden cross and the price can break out and above and stay above the moving average. Then it will be the solid rebound from this support. All right, so that is something that is worth for us to monitor in next 1 or 2 days. All right, this is a chart review for Bitcoin. Yeah, all right, so let's look at the one of the big news of the day. All right, so this is one of the big news of the day, which is the news released just a few hours ago. Yeah, when there's midnight in the US. So this news, the title is "Stocks and Oil Prices Fall as Moderna CEO says Current Vaccines Will Struggle with Omicron, which is the new variant of coronavirus." All right. So the time when this news is released, it has hit badly on the Asia stock markets and also the oil prices. Yeah, because in few hours ago, majority of the Asia trading markets are actually the equity markets are actually trading on the rebound play. Yeah, it's rebound in a quite positive momentum. But then when this news released few hours ago, then all indices, majority of Asia indices was actually turns red. All right, and it also hits badly on the futures of the US market. Yeah, so whether we can see the whether can we see the continuation of the US stock market later. Yeah, so that's something that we need to keep an eye on it. All right, okay, so actually the statement from the CEO of Moderna, yeah, is still yet to be confirmed. Yeah, because so far we still don't have a sufficient data on the new variant of this coronavirus. Yeah, so it's just some personal opinion and statements from the CEO. So still, for me personally, I would wait for more data to be gathered and wait for the more official and statements that is backed up by data and analysis. Then we can see how severe this new variant of coronavirus is. All right. Okay, so yep, and you can see also from here, yeah, most of the Asian market was being hit, and it's actually closed as a very low price. Yeah, so whether it can we can hope for the rebound tomorrow, then we shall see the performance of the US stock market tonight. All right, okay, so yep, so let's get into the first counter for today, which is let me see. The first counter for today, yep, I'm going to show you the chart for Apple. Yeah, All right. All right, so we are not going to discuss any products or any prospects of Apple brand over here. We're just purely focusing on the chart analysis. All right, so as you can see, the chart of Apple is actually on quite a bullish momentum. Yeah, yesterday it was make a small drop over here and being supported on the MA10, and the next day it comes back with a rebound. All right, so from here you can see that the momentum is quite strong. All right, and then if you see from the longer time frame, for me personally, I would actually I can see there's a pretty much upside than we can waiting for. Yeah, it depends on of course it depends on the overall index performance of the US market as well. But then you can see that in the overall this chart of Apple, what you can see is after the uptrend over here, and then you can see the washing, yeah, washing at a correction phase over here, and then afterwards, after the correction phase, when the MA has performed a golden cross, and then here's the some collection phase, yeah, collection phase for around 1 month time, and then it start the movement to the north. All right, so if you're holding these stocks, all right, the supports that you can set, first you can use MA10 as the support, or the support can be set at around the price of um 158, yeah, 158, which is the lowest price of yesterday, should be the support. Yeah, so as long as the price can sustain above 158 or the final defense of the MA10, the bullish rally of Apple should be able to continue. Okay, yeah, so this is what I see from the chart of Apple Incorporations. Okay, yep. So next we move on to the second counter, which is PDD, yeah, Pindodo. All right, Pindodo is one of the giant e-commerce from China. Okay, but then as you can see, the chart in overall doesn't look really nice. Yeah, it just breaks the support yesterday, and today, I mean 2 days ago, it just breaks the support, and yesterday we have seen some small rebound, but then it doesn't really cause much effect over here. Yeah, so if you see from the longer time frame, it's actually still in the big and long downtrend channel. Okay, so um if purely look from this chart, this actually not much interesting over here, because it's still not an interesting price for me, and from the chart there's no much opportunity for trading as well. But then if you're holding this chart, there's something that you need to take note, is that there's a big gap which happened 2 days ago, so the big gap itself could become a strong resistance over here. All right, so I can draw a box for you. So this is what you will see. This part will become the resistance. Only when the price can break out of this box, then it's only then it has the chance to at least try to perform a rebound. All right. So the box itself will become the resistance in the short term. All right. And of course, from this chart, I had also sees that the power of the technical analysis. All right. As you can see, if you can read this chart really well, you should actually able to escape from the big drop of the last 2 days. Yeah, so it's purely because, as you can see, since the month of August, the price of PDD has actually traded in a quite a weak momentum. Yeah, quite a weak momentum. As you can see, maybe I can draw I can draw a circle for you. All right, over here, and then over here. Yeah, so what can you see is an lower low, right? So it's a lower low over here, and then it's also an, oh wait, this is lower low, and that this one is lower high. Yeah, so it's, can you see, it's an obvious downtrend channel. Yeah, and what makes it more obvious is that the moving average, three lines of moving average is actually at a weak momentum as well. Yeah, it's, as you can see, it's failed to perform the golden cross over here and also over here for 2 times. So this shows how weak the momentum is. Yeah, so there's some selling pressure that's actually pressing the price to keep going down. Okay, so if you have analyzed this chart at this stage, yeah, from the month of September to November, within these 2 months, so if you have the holdings over there, you should have actually get out within last month, so you should be able to escape from the big drop over here. All right, so this is some signal that you can see from the chart. All right, so this is what the chart is trying to tell you, just that whether you have the ability to catch it. Yeah, okay, so in overall, this chart for me, it doesn't look nice. All right, so it has break the support as well. So what you can monitor is wait for it to break the box of resistance, then only it can make a rebound. If not, how low it will goes, I think no one can answer right now. Yeah, so just keep on monitoring for PDD. All right, okay, so yeah, so these are the two counters that I'm going to share with you today for the US market. So I hope you learned something from our videos, yeah, especially the part of technical analysis. And if there is any counter that you want us to do the analysis, feel free to comment in our comment box. And of course, don't forget to hit the like and share button if you like our content. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe our channel so that you won't miss our next video on analysis of potential stock. Alright, so okay, thank you for watching the videos, and I'm TA Play, your trading buddy. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.